Hi, I'm Don Grace with Safeway Water, here to show you how to work on our new Safeway valve. The only service tools you'll need is the spanner wrench and a quarter. We have multiple tailpiece fittings available to suit your needs. Using the spanner wrench, you can access all the main service points of a valve. Starting with the flow meter, simply put it on the nut, back it off, and unscrew. Using your quarter to separate the meter and pull it out. Inspect it for any wear, tear, or damages. Repair, replace, and reinstall. You only need to hand tighten your secure nuts to put the valve back into service. To get to the injectors for inspection, use the other side of the spanner wrench and simply turn the cap, loosening it where you can screw it off with your hand. Using the lip of the cap, simply put that in, line it up with the edge of the injector, and pop up, releasing the injector for inspection. If it's all clean, clear, doesn't need to be replaced, reinsert it into the DN button, push it in, and hand tighten the cap again. Tightening it up slightly with the wrench. To inspect the drain line flow control button, simply remove the clip, lift up on the elbow, and inspect the black flow control button underneath. If it's clean and clear, go ahead and put the fitting back in the drain line hole and secure it with the clip. If needed, the seals and piston can be accessed very easily with using the spanner wrench. Simply disconnect the power, remove the face cover by spreading apart the tabs on the sides, disconnecting the power supply from the board, the meter from the board, separating the wires so they are out of the way, lifting up on the backer plate, and removing the whole assembly. Taking your spanner wrench, set it into the drive gear, and rotate it counterclockwise. You may need to do that a couple of times before you can start loosening it with your hands. Pulling out the drive gear has the downflow piston and the brine piston. Those can be removed simply by lining up the insides in a simple push. After inspecting the seals in the piston, you can start putting it back together again. Simply push in the spacer stack assembly. It's only going to go in one way. Take your piston assembly, center it to your seal spacer assembly, push it in gently, and start threading it clockwise. Once it becomes difficult to turn by hand, use your spanner wrench and continue tightening until you cannot tighten it anymore. It may take a few turns. You cannot over tighten it. Lining up your tabs from here and here, and snapping it into place. Run your wires to the side and the connection points. You can only put these into the correct pinouts. And replace the cover. Return power, and you're ready for service again. That's all it takes to repair and service our new Safeway valve. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 855-999-7233. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.